This is Asus Tuf F15 gaming laptop, one of the latest launch from Asus, and in this video you are going to get all the information you need before purchasing this laptop. First of all, let's have a look on this laptop's box content. While opening the box, first of all you're going to find lots of stickers from Asus, and here is a laptop available on the white cover. I will let you know more about this laptop. Other than this laptop, there is a user manuals. This is 200 watt power adapter, and at the end you will get one power cord as well. Now let's have a look on this laptop quick specifications. This laptop powered with Intel Core i5-12500H processor that comes with 4 P cores and 8 E cores. Here you will get a 8GB DDR4 RAM, 512GB NVMe Gen 3 SSD, NVIDIA RTX3050 GPU with 95 watt TGP. The laptop top lid is completely made up of metal, and the logo that you are able to see here, it's popping out, and that looks really cool. On the corner they have given the screw design, but this is not a original screws. Other than this lid, the entire body is made up of a good quality plastic. At the bottom you will find lots of vents for air intake. At the top also they have given one minor vents for air intake. On the right hand side you will find air exhaust. On the back hand side also they have given air exhaust, but on the left hand side all the area is covered with lots of ports. At the top you will find a very minor flags. In the same time, keyboard section you will not find any flags at all. The total weight of this laptop is only 2.2 kg, and as a gaming laptop this is a very lightweight gaming laptop, I can tell you this. And the best part is that the weight measurement also done pretty well, because the laptop can be opened with the help of a single hand. Now let's have a look on this laptop's display quality. This laptop comes with a 15.6-inch full HD IPS display with 45% NTSC, 250 nits brightness, and 144Hz refresh rate. At the top here you will find a 720 pixel webcam. If we talk about its ports, on the left hand side you will find power input port, one Ethernet port, HDMI output, Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-C, USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A, one 3.5mm combo port for microphone and speaker. On the right hand side here is a Kensington lock and one single USB Type A 3.2 Gen 1 port. In the same time, if we talk about its connectivity, here you will get Bluetooth 5.2 and Wi-Fi 6. Here you will get a full size keyboard that comes with a RGB backlit. The backlit is really bright and that looks really cool. The backlit can be customized with the help of function plus F4 button, and its brightness can be customized with the help of F3 and F4 button. Here you can enable the performance mode with the help of function plus F5 button. Make sure while playing game, turn the laptop into turbo mode so that you will get a maximum performance from this laptop. The overall typing experience of this keyboard is really good one. I haven't faced any such problem, whether you do lots of works or whether you use this keyboard for playing games. In the same time, here you will get a very big size touchpad, and let me clear you one thing, the touchpad is really good one. It feels very smooth, and you are not going to face any problem while doing day-to-day tasks, and it supports all the multi gestures as well. Out of the box, here you will get Windows 11 and Armoury Crate application support, and with the help of this one application you can see the laptop performance. You can also customize the GPU mode, or you can also customize the GPU performance, and you can also customize the laptop's keyboard RGB backlit. So these are the features and specifications of this laptop. Now let's go forward and let's have a look on this laptop benchmark scores and how is this laptop performance. But before going forward, let me clear you one thing, this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased this laptop on my audience request just to let you know whether you should buy this laptop or you should ignore it. If you really like my work and if you really want to support my channel, make sure buy this laptop from the link given in the description section below. If you use my link, you will also get this laptop at the best price as well. Now let's go forward and have a look on this laptop benchmark scores. First of all, I have run the Cine benchmark test, and according to this single core score I have got 1693 and multi-core score was 12661. Here is a 3D mark test result, and all the tests I am showing you one by one. You can pause the video and you can read all the test scores. Now let's go forward and have a look on this laptop's gaming performance. While playing Stray at high settings, I was getting 110 FPS. Next I have tested GTA 5 at various settings. I was getting 125 FPS and the game runs very smoothly. Next I have run God of War at ultra setting. This game can be easily playable at 49 FPS, and the same game can be playable at 70 FPS at original settings. While running Elden Ring at maximum settings, I was getting only 38 FPS. FPS. Next I have tested Days Gone at very high settings. I was getting 57 FPS and the game runs very smoothly. While playing a Plague Tale Requiem at ultra setting, I was getting only 29 FPS, and even while playing at lower settings, I was getting only 38 FPS. At low settings with DLSS on, you can play this game at 54 FPS, and with DLSS on, you are not going to face any such problem. While playing Forza Horizon 5 at ultra setting, I was getting 54 FPS, and same game at high settings, I was getting 120 FPS, and even this game also runs very smoothly. While playing Red Dead Redemption 2 at favor quality, that is the maximum setting of this game, and here I was getting average 60 FPS, and even this game runs very smoothly. Before going forward, I would just like to let you know multiple games I have tested at multiple different settings with DLSS and without DLSS. All the game result that I am showing you, it is with 8 GB RAM. Same laptops I have also tested with 16 GB RAM. If you want to know more about the gaming performance about this laptop, then you can visit my website. The link is given in the description section below. Now let's go forward. While playing Shadow of Tomb Raider at higher settings, I was getting 78 FPS, and these games also run very smoothly. While playing Mafia Definitive Editions at high settings, I was getting 57 FPS, and even here you are not going to face any such problem. While playing Far Cry 6 at ultra setting, this game can be playable at average 62 FPS. Next I have tested Spider-Man Miles Morales at high settings. I was getting around 60 FPS, and even these games also run very smoothly. Next I have run Cyberpunk on this laptop. At ultra setting, this game can be playable at 27 FPS, and the same game I have also tested at lowest settings, and here I was getting around 62 FPS. At the end I have tested Valorant at high settings, and here I was getting 265 FPS. This game runs very smoothly. If you are a Valorant lover, you are not going to face any such problem here, and definitely you're going to love this laptop. So as here we have seen, most of the game can be very easily playable on this laptop and high and very high settings, and overall gaming performance of this laptop is pretty good one. And in the same time, if we talk about its thermal, the thermals reach between 85 degree to 95 degree Celsius. This laptop comes with 95 watt TGP, but while playing game maximum I was getting only 80 watt. Now let's go forward and let's have a look on the most commonly asked questions. The question number 1, what is the battery backup of this laptop? This is a gaming laptop and comes with a very huge 90 watt hour battery. So at the silent mode I was watching YouTube, and here I have got around 7 hours of battery backup. That is a really great battery backup on this laptop. Next question, can we do 4K rating on this laptop? Yes, you can do 4K rating on this laptop. By the way, in the timeline the video rendering takes slightly time, but editing is possible. For rendering 10 minutes of 4K video, it took around 44 minutes and 57 seconds. And in the same time, if you do full HD video editing, then definitely you're not going to face any problem. The timeline also works really great, and 10 minutes of full HD video can be rendered at 7 minutes and 35 seconds. Next question, can we upgrade the RAM on this laptop? Yes, you can upgrade the RAM on this laptop, as there is one extra slot. Maximum this laptop supports up to 32 GB of RAM. Next question, how many SSD slots are available on this laptop? There are 2 SSD slots available in this laptop, so in future definitely you can add another SSD. By default this laptop has Gen 3 SSD, but it also supports Gen 4 SSD as well. So in future if you want to upgrade, you can add a Gen 4 SSD on this laptop. Last question, does this laptop has a mux switch? Yes, this laptop has a mux switch, but you're not going to find it on a BIOS setting. The mux switch can be found on its Armor Crate application under GPU mode section. Here you can find advanced setting. So once you enable it, your laptop is going to restart and your mux switch is going to enable. And all the gaming tests that you have seen on this laptop, I have tested by turning on the mux switch. So guys, this is all about today. I hope you have found this video helpful. Then kindly hit the like button, and if you want to know more about this laptop and if you want to purchase it right now, kindly use the link given in the description section below, or else you can directly buy it by clicking here. If you use my link, it will help my channel, plus you will also get this laptop at the best price as well. If you're new here, do subscribe it and also hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.